If you're a diver and you're actually looking to improve your underwater photography and videography skills, then this video is exactly right for you. You know, you might think everything is a little bit strange today. What happened to Vanessa? You know, short hair and a beard, and I don't really know if I like that. Well, Vanessa is totally off. She's sleeping, resting, because she's been answering all your questions and putting out all fantastic tutorial videos over the last 1.5 years. I mean, there has been great response. And the question is actually what to do with it. Every underwater photographer or filmmaker is actually an ocean ambassador. The creative work all of us do inspires people to fall in love with the ocean. And falling in love with something is the first step to actually care and eventually protect the ocean. So the better we do our job, the more people we can inspire and the more impact we have. And that's why we decided to dedicate the whole of next year, 2020, to exactly that purpose. To improve our skills as a community of underwater photographers and filmmakers. This year, our mission statement is life is an ocean. And next year, it will be together for the ocean.
I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. We can shine, we can shine, we can shine. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
Really?
Yes! And you know what? To start 2020 with a big bang, we should actually make a video together.
You and me?
No, I mean, yes, kind of, like everybody. Everybody, the whole community, you watching, you know, you sleeping, me working.
And how is that supposed to work?
Well, it's actually pretty simple. You send us your favorite ocean moments that you have captured on video. We're gonna edit everything into one fantastic video.
Yeah, great. I will send you the clips from Blue Planet.
Well, no. It has to be your own stuff. It has to be your own shots.
But Flo, do the clips have to be super professional?
Not really. No, you can use anything from iPhone or GoPro, whatever you have laying around. Because it's not about the actual quality of the picture, it's about the emotions in it.
Like what?
Well, I don't know, like this.
Baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the rain.
Or like this.
I can feel
Remember this one?
it's rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh,
Maybe not this one.
no, we run the show.
Yeah, well, that's gonna be a super long video.
Not really. I mean, obviously we have to, you know, select the most fitting clips that you send, but it doesn't matter because with any clip that you send, even if it's not ending up in the final video, you have a chance to win an amazing prize.
Oh, you can win something. What can I win?
You actually can't win, but you can win. And well, I mean, we're not 100% sure what it's gonna be, but it's definitely gonna be a trip on a project with us next year.
And where do I have to send my clips to?
It's actually pretty easy. You basically just send us an email with a download link or however you want to do it. Just make sure you send it to the address video@behind-the-mask.com.
And how many clips can I send?
You can actually send quite a few clips, but make sure you don't send whole videos. We need clips, you know, so that we can actually work with it. Also make sure that the clips are kind of long enough and not only, you know, the middle part, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds, 15 seconds per clip. Something like this.
Until when do I have to send the clips?
Send the clips as soon as you can, but latest until December 21st.
When can I see the final video?
We're gonna premiere the video on January 18th on social media, which will also be the opening of the boat show, which is the world's largest water sports show in Düsseldorf, Germany.
And that's it.
Not really, that's basically just the beginning.
And what else?
This was the together part. But now we also have a great plan how to improve your underwater photography and videography skills.
Wait. What's the plan? More tutorials?
Can you handle more tutorials?
To be honest, the tutorials are fine. It's just there's so many questions and I cannot answer them all, and there's just not enough time for that.
Yeah, that's a shame, because all of your questions should actually be answered. And that's why we teamed up with the Boat Show in Germany, which is again the world's largest water sports show, which runs for 9 days, and we will run a 9-day live stage to answer all of your questions.
We are going to answer all of the questions.
Nope. Some maybe, but mainly we're gonna invite interesting, inspiring professionals or artists and creatives from the industry who will sit there, talk with us, and answer all of your questions directly.
But what if I don't live in Germany?
Well, that doesn't matter at all, because you can either join us physically and hang out there with us, or you can just attend online, because we're gonna stream everything, every session, every talk, every answer live to social media.
Great, so I don't need to go to the boat show, huh?
No, but we would recommend you to come by, because obviously we would be happy to meet you. You know, you can hang out with us, chat with us, and you can attend our party, which is on the second Saturday, January 25th.
Wait. How do I ask my question?
We will have tons of different topics, and each topic will have a respective video about it. And you can leave a comment there, ask your question, and you will automatically have a chance to win amazing prizes like dive trips or equipment or whatnot.
That's really cool.
Watch out on our social media. We will post all the videos during the next few days, and all the informations you need will be right there in the videos.
Sounds like we're gonna be pretty busy the next couple of
Yep,
weeks.
that's correct.
Good night.
Stop hibernating and let's get to work.
Really? Oh well.
All right, guys, send us your footage and your comments, and see you in person at the boat show or in the live stream. Good luck with the prizes. Let's make a point together for the ocean. Video at behind-the-mask.com. Damit du, okay. Video at behind-the-dash. Like a trip to dive trips. Do you know dive trips? It's north of mountaineering trips. Shit. And you will find all the needed information right there in the description of the videos. And in the videos, it's not very clever, you know, if you make a video and then you also have to read the description to understand the video, you can also like not make the video. Let's make a point together for the ocean.
Without my love for the ocean.